Many early adopters have more crypto than they know what to do with. And as they say, the early bird gets the worm. Any artist that gets up to speed early on NFT will have a huge head start on building a crypto catalog that could be worth thousands or even millions of dollars over the coming decades. For a lot of musicians, recording artists, and music producers, cryptocurrency and NFT are still a complete mystery. However, just like driving a car, you don't really have to know what goes on under the hood to get and drive. But you do need to know the basic operations. The same is true with cryptocurrency and NFT. You don't need to know everything that's going on under the hood. You just need to know how to work the controls. We'll go over that in a moment. First, what is an audio NFT? If you know what an NFT is, then you can skip to the next section. Minting an NFT of your music creates a permanent, immutable record that lives on a blockchain, essentially forever. As an NFT, your recording will be stored on computer servers at countless data centers around the planet for centuries, or even millennia to come. NFT stands for non-fungible token. Fungible means, essentially, divisible and replicable. Like dollars, you can divide dollars into 100 equal cents, or the Fed can print more dollars. You can give someone $1, and there's no question about how much it's worth. It's worth the same amount of money as every other dollar. Like dollars, cryptocurrencies are fungible. However, the Ethereum blockchain allows anyone to mint a unique digital token that represents a single item rather than some amount of money. That token, which in this case represents ownership of an audio recording, can be bought or sold but not divided. Minting, or the initial creation of an NFT token on the blockchain, creates a permanent and immutable record of the token and its owner. Think of an NFT as you would think about a title to your car. Your car is a unique item. The official title proves that you own it. Without the title, there is no proof of ownership. When you sell the car, you have to sign over the title to the new owner. When someone sells an NFT, the title, if you will, reflects the new owner. NFT are digital property, and they can be bought and sold or gifted, just like any physical property. Two parties agree on the terms of transfer of ownership of an NFT. Then the token is transferred from the seller's crypto wallet to the buyer's. How do I make and sell music NFT on OpenSea? Musicians have their choice of several websites dedicated to selling music NFT. Some even specialize in music. However, OpenSea.io has the largest NFT marketplace for musicians. And minting an audio NFT using OpenSea.io is a fairly straightforward process that's relatively simple once you've taken it around the block a few times. Just take your time the first time out. Here's what you need to do first. How do I set up an OpenSea account? In order to mint an audio NFT on OpenSea, you need to do 4 things. 1. Get the Metamask app. First, you need a Metamask Ethereum wallet with some ETH in it. There's a Metamask app in your app store that runs on smartphones, or you can download a Chrome web browser extension. 2. Get some ETH into your wallet. You need some cryptocurrency to get started. There's a one-time fee for creating an NFT collection for your music, and another to mint the first NFT in your collection. The fees are called gas fees for some reason. The fees are remanded to the companies that process the transactions and store the ledgers. At times, it can cost upwards of $100 or more to mint an NFT collection. So I recommend you have at least a few $100s worth of ETH in your wallet before you begin. Metamask is easy to use. You can add ETH to your wallet using a credit card. If you already have some ETH in another wallet or a crypto exchange, you can easily transfer it to your Metamask wallet. 3. Set up an OpenSea account. Next, you need to set up an account at OpenSea.io and connect it to your Metamask wallet. A Metamask wallet is not required to set up the OpenSea account, but it is required to mint NFT. How do I create music NFT on OpenSea? You set up your Metamask wallet and connected it to your OpenSea account. Now you're ready to start creating audio NFT. And once again, it's a fairly straightforward process. 1. First, create a collection. First, you'll need to create a collection for the music you intend to mint as NFT. One collection can include a catalog of all of your recordings. Alternatively, you can create multiple collections. To create a collection on OpenSea, just hover over your OpenSea username in the upper right corner of the page. Then choose My Collections from the drop-down menu. Once you're on the Collections page, choose Create a Collection. There will be a one-time gas fee to create the collection. 2. Next, click on Create in the top nav menu on OpenSea. You can create a single copy, one-of-a-kind NFT on the Create page. However, you can also sell multiple copies of one recording on OpenSea. 3. OpenSea will then prompt you to upload your recording, then upload cover art for the song, and then add a title. I suggest using the artist's name and the name of the song in your title to assure that it's not confused with a song with the same name by another artist. 4. Add an external link if you have a website to which you want to link your NFT music collection. 5. Enter a description for your audio NFT. This could include liner notes, credits, lyrics, production credits, the story behind the song, etc. 6. Select the collection you already created where your audio NFT will live. 7. Next, create some properties if you wish. You can create properties for things like genre, tempo, topic, attitude, etc. Adding properties helps shoppers find exactly what they're looking for in a song. You can also add levels and stats, but these options are more for gaming and sports NFT. 8. Select a blockchain on which to mint your audio NFT. There are two options, Ethereum and Polygon. I chose Ethereum even though it has high gas fees at the moment. I'm hoping the fees will come down substantially after an upcoming upgrade. Alternatively, you can choose Polygon, which has no gas fees. However, if you list it on Polygon, then the buyer must be running on Polygon. There are far more buyers on Ethereum at this time. However, there's also a bridge to port ETH over to Polygon. 9. When you are certain that you are ready to mint your audio NFT, click Create at the bottom of the form. You are able to edit your NFT after you mint it, as long as you don't freeze the metadata. Boom! You are now the proud owner of a piece of digital property, your very own audio NFT. Now, all you have to do is sell it. How do I list my music NFT for sale on OpenSea? Once your songs are added to your collection, you can list them for sale as OpenSea Music NFT. That's it. Your song will quickly be available in the OpenSea marketplace. OpenSea will prompt you to share your music NFT on Facebook and Twitter, or you can get some code to embed the listing on your website. Once your music NFT is listed on OpenSea, shoppers can either bid on your auctions or buy your NFT instantly for the listed price, or they can make you an offer. You can then choose to accept or ignore the offer or make a counteroffer. You are now well on your way to selling music NFT on OpenSea. When you're done setting things up, please post a link to your collection in the comments if you are so inclined. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.